We were looking online and Coastal Club looked really attractive to us, amenity-rich area and the lifestyle that we thought we'd be looking for. So we visited, and then when we met with NVHomes, we looked at, it was the Bourne Quist model, and we fell in love with that model. We actually closed right on the date that was on the contract. Our project manager took really good care of us, and I felt very personable with him. We love it here at Coastal Club, and it's really nice now that we have the indoor pool and the hot tub along with the fitness gym. The lifestyle here differs from just about any other community is that there's so many different activities, whether it's music trivia contest or live bands or what have you, always events going on, that it's a great opportunity to meet your neighbors, make some friends. The whole water park is really something, whether it's the slide or the pirate ship splash zone or the zero entry pool with the infinity in the back and the fountains. And I like how you can take your chair and put it like right in the water there. Another thing I like is the swim-up bar. It's Delaware's only swim-up bar. We marvel at everyone who wants to come down and vacation here, but here we are enjoying Coastal Club every day.